Hey, we've got a super easy one here today. I'm just replacing these struts. So these are the replacement ones. I've currently got the bonnet held open with a pair of pliers because I'm working here on my own. If you've got somebody else with you, they can be holding the bonnet. Now to take these off, we're just going to have to move this little metal clip that just locks in onto the little ball that's on there. So you need like a little screwdriver. We'll just get in behind it and just kind of pry it over like that. And then you just be able to pop that off. So I'm going to start on the other side where it's not been held. So all we need to do is get this screwdriver in here, pry up this little metal clip, and we can pop that off. Now we've got a fair bit of movement on this one. It's the same on this end. Just want to get that little metal clip. Pry that off, and this strut has absolutely nothing left to it. Now the replacement one, just make sure you have the same orientation, whether it was sitting that way or that way. Now generally what you can do is just put it over that ball and just push it on. You might need to rotate things a little bit just to get things to line up. Again, just put it onto that ball, press it on. Just make sure those little metal clips have locked themselves in. Let's zip to the other side. Now, I've got the bonnet held open with this one. Now, it's got one good strut on that side. Once I undo this, it may fall, so I'm just going to be careful with that. One strut is holding it, that's good. Get that off. New one on, just turn that a little bit to line things up. Done. Hey, and with that, they are now replaced. Job done. Check out some other videos.